In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to use the rotary cutting mat, the rotary cutter, and also the lip edge ruler to cut a perfect square or rectangle using this mat. So first, you're going to lay out your fabric, and it should just be a roughly cut piece of fabric. For this particular sample, I want it to be 11 inches going this way and 13 inches going this way. So if your piece is totally jagged, just kind of line it up, just straighten it out. In this particular piece that I cut out, part of it's already straight, most of it is not. So I'm going to roughly lay it out along one of these lines here. And I just want to smooth out and straighten each of these edges first, or at least two edges. So I'm going to shave off just a little bit of this. So I'm lining this up with the grid line here. So this kind of all lines up, but it's over here that I'm going to have to take off a little bit. So with a lip edge ruler, you're going to notice on one of the sides it says lip edge. And so this part has, it's slightly coming out and jutting out over here. And so this is going to grip the edge of the mat. And so I'm going to line this up with line number 21 with a lip edge gripping onto the edge over here of the rotary cutting mat. And this should go all the way across following line 21. Hold down on this. You can press down here and the blade is now exposed. Press down hard, and in one motion you should be able to cut it nicely if the blade is nice and sharp. To retract your blade, just press the button. Okay, so this side is nicely cleaned off in one straight line. We're going to go ahead, this side is actually also already straight. Now we want it to be 11 inches upward and then 13 inches across. So I'm going to count the blocks now. These are all 1 inch squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So at line 13 is where I'm going to cut off the top edge here. Okay, making sure the lip edge is gripping onto the edge of this mat, and it should be all aligned with line number 13. Press down. Press down hard on the lip edge ruler so that it's not sliding around. If you notice that part of it is still connected, you can always just grab your shears and just trim off any loose threads. Okay, and then we're going to count 13 blocks this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So right at line number 8. Okay, you can see part of it's a little bit attached still, so I'll just take my shears and trim those threads off.